guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to explore Bohol. So guys, we just arrived here in Tagbilaran. So we're now here at Bellevue Resort here in Panglao. And medyo gabi na yung flight ko. So yeah, medyo gabi na. And it's a nice place. I'll tour you around. So I'll be here until Friday. So 3 days lang tayo dito. 3 days, 2 nights. And yeah, I just want to have rest and also yeah, have time for myself. All right, let's go. So yan guys, andito tayo for 3 days to explore like Panglao here in Tagbilaran in Bohol. This is Bellevue here in Tagbilaran. So itutour ko kayo. Okay, let's go. Kain muna tayo. So here's the room guys. So I got my standard room. I think this is a standard room which is quite spacious. So yeah, you can see medyo malaki siya than the typical rooms you have here. So when you enter, there's a mirror here and the bathroom is already here. Okay, so meron siyang shower and then meron siyang bathtub. Meron siyang bathtub. Okay, yan. And then there's some amenities that you have there, and even the shampoo and the body lotion and the shampoo. And then the room itself, you have a king-size bed here with a good interior. Tapos the TV is here, right? And then, yan ang kanyang ref with some coffee. Oh, lang naman. Yan, you can put there your things. Tapos ayan, may coffee naman pala siya dyan. Tapos meron siyang water. Yan. Ganda siya. Tapos meron kang maliit na spatio here. You can lounge. Yan. There's a table here. Another mirror. Medyo wala pang bukas ko papakita sa inyo. Bukas ng umaga yung labas. Alright? It's quite nice. I've stayed in Bellevue sa Manila. Para ito malaki. Malaki siya. Resort type siya. And quite spacious for a regular room. Nice. Maganda siya. Let's have dinner. So, parang 1 hour lang naman yung flight going here. Tapos, it only takes you around 15 minutes van transfers from airport going to Panglao. Kasi nasa Panglao na pala siya. So, Tagbilaran siya pero nasa Panglao Island na din naman yung airport daw. So, nilipat pala yung airport ngayon. Mga ano doon, may mga tricycle in public transportation na pwede mong i-book kung gusto mong lumabas dito sa resort. But I'll take my dinner here inside the resort kasi gabi na rin. Okay? So I ordered guys yung adobo and chicken. It's so nice here. It's so nice here kasi mahangin. Mahangin siya now. Tapos umulan daw kanina. Mahangin guys. Kain muna tayo. Let's eat first. Bon appetit. Higa. This is 650 pesos. Medyo matagal.
We're 1 million away.
Yes, let's go. Subscribe now.
1 million away from the silver button. Oh my God, please subscribe now.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Hindi her guys.
Meron ka.
Hi guys. Hindi ano basketball.
Ayaw siya sabi mo.
Love, love, love.
Welcome back to our vlog. And good morning! So guys, today katapos ko lang mag-breakfast and mag-lounge muna tayo dito sa may beach. Sa beach. Oh, ang ganda ng fishes. Look, look, look. Ah, ang dami. And gutom sila. Mukhang gutom sila, guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng hotel. Ayan yung lobby. So we will go to the Tarsier and see the Tarsier. Yeah. Okay, let's go. You need to be silent kasi kailangan daw tahimik para hindi sila mabulabog. So it's like that, guys. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Sobrang liit niya. Ang liit! So this is the Chocolate Hills, guys. Guys, paakyat pala siya eh. Ay, kailangan niyo umakyat dito sa tuktok para makuha niyo yung view deck. Okay. Guys, akyatin niyo pala siya. Ganyan pala siya kataas. Kailangan niyo siyang akyatin. So guys, we're here at the top of the viewing deck ng Chocolate Hills. So papakita ko siya sa inyo. So medyo aakyat pala kayo dito bago makita yung taas na kasi mataas siya. Kasi viewing deck siya, B. So ito siya. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ten 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 ten. This is the Chocolate Hills, guys. So sabi nila limestone daw yan before. It was a limestone and then it was formed million of years ago and then biglang nagkaroon ng lupa. Tapos ayan. Kaya din walang trees sa tuktok niya. Oh, ganun niya. Oh, di ba may trivia kayo? Bago siya naging ganyan. Tapos marami, mahaba pala siya. Marami pala siya. Kaya pala siya Chocolate Hills. Hindi siya Chocolate Hill. Ah. So palibot pala siya, guys. Palibot pala siya, guys. Ganyan. Ang maraming Chocolate Hills. So bababa na kami ulit. Bababa na. Down. At malamig dito sa taas. ayun guys, we just came back from the half-day tour in Bohol, here in Bohol. So, okay naman siya. Ang ano lang, medyo malayo lang yung mga tourist areas here in Panglao. Kasi parang 1.5 hours siya. So, umalis kami dito sa hotel ng 12:30 and then nakarating kami dun sa first destination, which is the Tarsier Conservatory, probably around mga 2 o'clock na. So medyo 1.5 hours away from the Panglao Beach. So nasa Panglao yung mga resorts, like the one in Bellevue is in Panglao, and then yung mga attractions or yung mga tours is nandoon sa ano, yun dun sa may Tagbilaran. So yun. Tapos medyo madaming tourists sa mga places na yon, like the Tarsier Conservatory, dun sa ano yun yung pinuntahan namin na man-made forest, and then also the Chocolate Hills. So, and then nakabalik kami dito almost 5 p.m. na. So, yan. Meron pang mga iba pang attractions na pwede nyo gawin, like the ATV, which is good also. Sabi 30 minutes lang yun, pwede na. Pero, yeah, it can consume the whole day actually if you're going out and explore the city of Bohol. No, yeah. So I'll just take a rest and then have dinner later. All right? Bye. And this is our dinner. Kare-kare. Crispy kare-kare. With bagoong. Let's try. Okay naman yung kinain ko. Parang 450 pesos yun. Medyo pricey, pero okay naman. I think it's maganda naman yung price point niya. Siyempre mas mahal siya kasi andito ko sa hotel. Pero okay na. Isa na lang sa ako. Okay. Good morning guys. So, that's last day na natin today. Actually, nakapag-check out na rin ako and had my lunch here sa may parang ano nila, restaurant. It's called Merea. So, for the past 3 days, dito lang ako kumain. Yung Lamian, tsaka itong Merea. Ang medyo verdict ko, hindi ganun ka sarap yung food dito sa restaurant. Kasi yung in-order ko na laksa, medyo hindi siya lasang laksa. Alam, makukuha mo naman yung lasa ng ordinary laksa. Tapos sobrang daming noodles. Tapos yung kare-kare kagabi, good. Pero yung iba, parang hindi masarap. Ewan ko ang dami silang mga recipes. Marami silang dishes na available. May international dishes pa. Pero, hindi masarap. Sa akin lang naman. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. So, yung adobo nung isang araw, medyo matigas yung chicken. Hindi ko malasahan yung adobo. Okay. Tapos yung kahapon, yung kinain ko na ano naman, parang kare-kare. Crispy kare-kare. Okay naman yun. Yun okay siya. Pero parang kulang ng timpla. Parang gano'n. Ito, worst yung laksa. Lagay ko na yung picture dito. Pinicture ko. Hindi talaga. Anyway, yung coffee okay na. Yun yung verdict ko sa food nila dito. Pero the place is very nice. Maganda yung front niya, yung beach front niya. Umuulan lang ngayon, pero maganda yung yung overall aesthetic and placement niya kasi tahimik at saka maganda yung location. Hindi siya dun sa may Alona Beach. Alright? Yun. Eto, maganda naman yung talaga. Maganda naman talaga yung aesthetic ng overall ng hotel. Makikita ninyo. Eto siya. Ayan guys. Maganda.
yung kanya overall aesthetic, di ba? Oh, maganda. I give ko siya kanya. Maganda naman talaga siya. Tsaka with the rates niya, medyo okay na yung rates niya sa price. And that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. Short lang siya. Short lang yung video natin kasi nga it's only a restful weekend for me dito sa may Bohol, dito specifically sa Panglao. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Yay!